Hey, plant lovers! Have you ever wished you could have beautiful green plants in your home without messy soil or constant watering worries? Well, water-grown plants are a perfect solution. Today, we're diving into 6 amazing indoor plants that thrive completely in water. Whether you live in a small apartment, have low light, or just want a clean, easy care plant setup, you're in for a treat. Before we dive in, hit that like button. If you love low-maintenance plants, subscribe for more beginner-friendly plant tips and comment your favorite water plant below. Lucky bamboo, or Dracaena sanderiana, is a charming addition to any indoor space, perfect for desks, shelves, or those cozy low-light corners. This plant thrives in water, making it incredibly low maintenance. Simply keep the roots submerged in clean water and refresh it every 2 weeks to prevent stagnation. It prefers indirect sunlight, so a bright windowsill with filtered light is ideal, while direct sun can scorch the leaves. Room temperatures between 18 and 24 degrees Celsius are perfect for its steady growth. If you want more stems without spending extra, propagation is simple. Cut just above a node and place the new piece in water. It will develop roots naturally, giving you a fresh plant to decorate your home or share with friends. Lucky bamboo isn't just pretty. It's also a feng shui favorite, believed to bring good luck and positive energy. Over time, its stalks twist and bend in fascinating shapes, adding both elegance and personality to your indoor garden. Pothos, also called Epipremnum aureum, is one of the easiest plants to grow in water, making it perfect for beginners. Simply cut a healthy vine just below a node and place it in a glass or jar of clean water, making sure the node is submerged. Keep it in bright, indirect light, but it will still survive in low light if needed. Change the water every 1 to 2 weeks to keep roots healthy and prevent odor. To save money, trim long vines regularly and place each cutting in water to create new plants for free. Pothos is famously called devil's ivy because it's almost impossible to kill, even when grown entirely in water. Philodendron heterochaeum is a classic trailing houseplant that looks stunning in water, with heart-shaped green leaves cascading beautifully from shelves or hanging jars. To grow it in water, place the cut stem in a clean glass container and refresh the water every 2 weeks to prevent bacteria buildup. It prefers bright, indirect light, but is tolerant of low-light rooms, making it perfect for apartments and offices. Just keep it away from cold drafts and direct sunlight. To save money, snip a healthy vine just below a node and place it in water to grow a brand new plant for free. Philodendrons are also known for helping filter indoor air, which makes them both decorative and functional. Peace lily, also known as spathiphyllum, is a beautiful indoor plant that can grow surprisingly well in water, making it perfect for beginners who want a clean, soil-free setup. Place the roots in a glass jar or vase with water, keeping the leaves and crown above the waterline to prevent rot, and position it in bright, indirect light for best growth and blooming. Change the water every week to keep it fresh and prevent bacteria buildup. You can save money by dividing mature peace lily clumps into smaller sections and growing each one in water as a new plant. A fun bonus is that peace lilies are often listed in indoor plant studies for helping reduce common household toxins like formaldehyde, which makes them both decorative and beneficial for indoor air. The arrowhead plant, also known as Syngonium podophyllum, is a fast-growing, beginner-friendly houseplant that adapts beautifully to water and makes a stunning trailing display on shelves or windowsills. Place a cutting in water so the roots are submerged, and refresh the water every 1 to 2 weeks to keep it clean and oxygenated. It prefers bright, indirect light, but can tolerate low light, though growth will slow slightly. To save money, simply cut a stem below a node and place it in water to grow a brand new plant for free. Fun fact: as this plant matures, its leaves naturally change shape, transforming from classic arrow forms into softer heart-like leaves. English ivy is a classic trailing plant that looks stunning in glass jars or hanging containers when grown in water, with its small, glossy leaves cascading down like a green waterfall. To keep it healthy, make sure only the roots stay submerged and change the water every week to prevent bacteria buildup.
The spider plant, also known as Chlorophytum comosum, is one of the easiest and most rewarding plants you can grow in water, especially because it produces long, arching stems with tiny baby plantlets hanging from them. To grow it in water, cut off a healthy baby with visible roots and place it in a glass jar so only the roots are submerged. Then change the water every week to keep it fresh and prevent rot. Keep it in bright, indirect light for faster growth and vibrant green and white stripes. One of the best money-saving tricks is that each baby can become a full new plant, so you can multiply your collection without buying anything. A fun fact is that spider plants are known to help improve indoor air quality and are famously hard to kill, making them perfect for beginners who want instant success. Monstera Adansonii, also known as the Swiss cheese plant, is one of the most stylish and beginner-friendly plants you can grow in water, and it looks amazing in modern homes, offices, and minimalist shelves. Its thin, trailing vines and naturally perforated leaves give it a tropical, jungle-like vibe that instantly upgrades any indoor space. To grow it in water, simply place a healthy cutting in a clear glass jar or bottle, making sure at least one node is fully submerged, because that's where roots will form. Keep the jar in bright, indirect sunlight, like near a window with a sheer curtain, and change the water every 1 to 2 weeks to keep it fresh and prevent algae or bacteria buildup. Monstera Adansonii loves warm temperatures and moderate humidity, so it grows faster in kitchens, bathrooms, or rooms with a humidifier. For propagation, cut just below a node with 1 or 2 leaves, and place the cutting directly in water. Within a few weeks, you'll see white roots growing, and you can keep it in water permanently or transfer it to soil later. This method is completely free and lets you create multiple plants from one parent plant, which is a huge money-saving trick. You can even gift extra cuttings to friends, or use them as trendy decor in small glass jars. A fun fact is that the famous holes in Monstera leaves are called fenestrations, and scientists believe they help the plant survive heavy rain and strong winds in tropical rainforests by letting air and water pass through. Another interesting detail is that Monstera Adansonii vines naturally climb trees in the wild, so adding a small stick or moss pole in the jar can encourage bigger, more dramatic leaves over time.
Water-grown plants are perfect for adding a touch of green with minimal effort. Experiment with different varieties and placements to see what thrives in your space. Remember, clean water and indirect light are key to success. Which of these 6 plants will you try first? Comment below and share your water plant journey. We'd love to see your indoor jungle.